Hello everyone. On December 21st at 12 p.m. Eastern Time, the U.S. Mint will be releasing the George H.W. and Barbara Bush 2020 Presidential $1 coin and first spouse medal set for $25. So you'll get the coin and the medal for $25, and the product limit is 10,000. So they're only going to be selling 10,000 of these medals and coins together. So over here you can see the medal which features Barbra Bush on the obverse, and over here you can see Barbra Bush reading a book on the reverse of the medal. Now over here on the obverse you could see George H.W. Bush, and on the reverse you could see the Statue of Liberty. So George H.W. Bush, he served from 1989 to 1993 as our president, and he was our 41st president, and Barbara Bush, his wife, was the first lady. So you could see that it's going to be featuring presidential $1 coin and first spouse bronze medal, and it's honoring President George H.W. Bush and first spouse Barbara Bush. And then the packaging that it's coming in is a durable plastic card featuring beautiful portraits. So when we scroll down into the specifications of the coin, we could see that the coin and the medal are made out of different types of metals. So we could see that the coin, it's made out of zinc, manganese, nickel, and balanced copper, while the medal is just made out of copper and zinc. So the denomination of the coin is $1, and then there's no denomination on a medal because it's not a coin. So the coin, it weighs 8.1 grams, and it has a diameter of 1.043 inches, and its edge is lettered, and it was made at the Philadelphia Mint, and it contains the mint mark P. And then you could see that the medal, it was struck under authority of Public Law 116 to 112 and Public Law 109 to 145. And then again, you could see that the medal was also struck at the Philadelphia Mint, and its diameter is 15/16 of an inch. So it's a low product limit coin, so it's probably going to be hard to get because they're only going to be releasing 10,000 on December 21st, so it might sell out very quickly. So if you're a fan of George H.W. Bush and Barbara Bush, or if you just like collecting cool medals and coins, definitely go onto the U.S. Mint site on December 21st before 12 p.m. Eastern Time and try buying this set. And if you do, make sure to write it in the comments below. And if you liked this video, guys, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.